Good morning, everyone. My name is Suprika Narzari, and I am a student of Claret English Medium School. Today, on the occasion of World Environment Day, I am honored to represent today's program. World Environment Day is celebrated every year on 5th June to spread awareness about protecting our environment. Today, we organize a rally and clean litter along the roads to spread the message of cleanliness and environment responsibility. Through these activities, we encourage people to protect nature and keep their surroundings clean. This day reminded us that even small action can help create a greener and healthier future. As a student, we should spread awareness and encourage others to care for nature. Today's rally is a message that protecting the environment is everyone's duty. Let us work together to protect nature and build a greener nature. Thank you.